Hi everyone, in front of me I've got INFINIX Note 12 Pro, and let me share with you how to change the ringtone on this device. So first of all, let's enter the settings, and here we have to find the section Sound and Vibration. Let's enter. As you can see, here we have to scroll down in order to find the whole ringtone section. And here we can change the ringtone for calls, and those are two first options. As you can see, the ringtone is divided between two different SIM cards, which simply means that you can set totally different ringtone for the first SIM card and different for the second SIM card. We've got also the notification sounds and alarm tones. Let me show you how to change the ringtone by using, for example, the first option we've got here. So just tap on it, and here we've been transferred to the full list of all available ringtones from which we can choose. At the very top of this list, we've got the option None, which simply means that after picking it, your device will not use any kind of sound feedback to notify you about the incoming call. And on the other hand, at the very bottom of the list, we've got the option Add Ringtone, which simply means that we can enter our internal storage. So if you've got, for example, files which you've got downloaded from the internet, and of course if they are compatible, they will appear somewhere here or maybe in another folder, and you will be able to pick them and set them as a ringtone. But let me get back and let me pick actually something from the defaultly installed ringtones. And basically all you have to do in order to listen how the particular ringtone sounds is to simply tap on it. And let me volume it down. So this is how it works. Just tap on the one and listen and decide which one you like the most. And after deciding, so let me pick, for example, this air option, whatever, make sure that the option you like to use is marked, and then just go back. And as you can see, it immediately appears right here, which simply means that from now on, your device will use the chosen ringtone to notify you about the incoming call. So basically that's all. This is how to change the ringtone in your INFINIX Note 12 Pro. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.